Hi, and welcome to the Pinterest marketing video demo. In this specific video demo, I want to share with you what this video course is all about and how it can be beneficial to you. Let me start out by giving you some facts about Pinterest and how it can positively affect you as a business owner or product owner. Comscore reported Pinterest having 11.7 million unique users by January 2012. So Pinterest is definitely growing and is one of the top 10 fastest growing social media sites. Now, in terms of the audience of Pinterest, according to Huffington Post, they report that 1/3 of the users are female between the ages of 25 and 34 and have an annual salary of 100,000 or more. So you can imagine 1/3 of the users have a source of income where they can buy your products. However, you have to do it effectively. And we'll talk more about that in the video course itself. According to Shopify, they report during an analysis of 25,000 online stores that users that come from Pinterest after coming from either Facebook or Twitter spend twice as much. Now let's talk about Pinterest and promoting your brand and promoting your business. You see, in order to promote your brand or business on Pinterest, you must learn not only how to use Pinterest properly, but how to use Pinterest effectively. And you need to understand your audience better. So in the video course itself, I'm going to show you how to do just that. So want to learn how to do that? Want to learn how it works? Want to learn tips and strategies to maximize the Pinterest platform? Well, introducing the new Pinterest marketing video course. And it's a 10-part step-by-step video course. And video number 1 is, of course, the introduction. We talk about how it works, the mindset that you need to have, and things like that. And video number 2, we go straight in. We're going to talk about how to get invites fast. As you know, Pinterest operates on an invite-only system. So if you go to their front page, it takes a long time to get an invite. So we're going to show you how to get invites fast. Video number 3, we're going to talk about things to avoid and things that you need to be aware of. Video number 4, we're going to talk about knowing your market first. Before you begin to jump on the Pinterest bandwagon, you need to know who your market is and who your audience is, what they look like, how they think, what their likes and dislikes, and so forth. And I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'm going to show you a technique to fast track that specific process. Video number 5, we're going to talk about keywords, hashtags, and links. How to properly target your audience on Pinterest so that they can find you. Video number 6, we're going to actually set up a Pinterest account. We're going to set it all up. We're going to show you how to follow, how to interact with people, and how to create that interaction so that you can become a thought leader. It's easy to jump in and start trying to promote your stuff. However, Pinterest is a very different ecosystem, so you have to be aware of how it works and how to correctly promote your products. Video number 7, we're going to talk about creating a board. Video number 8, we're going to talk about a specific marketing tactic that Pinterest actually provides this, and it's using the pin it button. But we're going to show you how to use it properly and effectively. In video number 9, we're going to talk about another marketing tactic, which is contests. And in video number 10, you're going to learn other powerful third-party tools that you can combine with the power of Pinterest to get more targeted traffic and increase your exposure and your brand. So with that said, feel free to read the sales letter right below. And as you can see, you can drive a lot of traffic with Pinterest, but you have to know how to do it correctly and effectively.